Okay. What's that? What? Thyroid cartilage. Cricoid cartilage. What are the function of the rings?
Keep it open.
Hold it open and
Move, help guide food.
help guide food down the esophagus. Primary bronchi.
Secondary.
Secondary. Tertiary. Blood vessel is at superior vena cava.
Aorta.
Pulmonary
Trunk.
trunk. Yeah. Now remember when I taught you these. Hand me that heart right there, please. Fuck yeah. When you're holding it like this, with your diagonal in front, it's pulmonary trunk, aorta, superior vena cava. But remember, it doesn't go in your body like this. It goes in your body more like this. Okay, so you're going to see superior vena cava in front. It depends on how you're looking at it. So if you're seeing the diagonal, pulmonary trunk's first. If you're off to the side where you got a big fat, what is this called? Auricle. Then you're going to see superior vena cava first. Okay? Does that make sense? So don't get confused. This obviously can't be pulmonary trunk because it's going up to the neck. Okay? Has to be superior. It's going down from the neck, I should say. Let's go direction of blood flow. Okay? Superior vena cava. What's that? The esophagus, because look, it's right behind the trachea. Okay? What's that? Aorta. What are these? Vertebrae. Okay, it's not the trachea. The trachea doesn't come all the way down here. Okay, the trachea stops here and branches off. Good on this one? What's this? Thyroid gland. Okay. All right.
Kidneys. Adrenal glands. Bladder. Urethral.
Inferior vena cava. Aorta.
Then what's that?
Oh, that's the
Is it the iliac?
Superior mesenteric.
celiac.
Celiac. Okay, celiac trunk.
Superior mesenteric.
Yeah, because your guts are all right here. Your kidneys are here.
Yeah,
You got to think it's kind of lowish, right?
Superior. Inferior.
Inferior mesenteric artery. Okay.
What is the yellow part around the bottom of the bladder? Yeah.
We'll get to its prostate gland. I'm trying to go in order. What else was there? Oh, yes.
Thyroid gland.
Cartilaginous rings.
Yeah, cartilaginous rings.
Thyroid gland.
Epiglottis.
Glottis. Epi means what? Above. Epiglottis. Above the glottis. So that's got to be the glottis. Okay. All right.
Uterus.
Testicle, testes, scrotum.
Bladder.
Yeah. Don't say, uterus. There's a penis. Okay. What is this? Urethra. Okay. That's pretty much week 1 stuff. Obviously on the list of week 1, it also had gut stuff and blood vessels, heart stuff. But I counted that towards week 2 and 3. Okay? Alright, so. What's the function of it? It filters blood from the guts before it goes to the heart and makes bile. It's its function. Store bile. Cystic duct. Right hepatic duct. Left hepatic duct. Common bile duct. Spleen. Pancreas. Duodenum.
Cystic duct.
Right hepatic duct.
Left hepatic.
Common hepatic duct. Common bile duct. Pancreatic duct. Ampulla of Vater. What runs through here? Bile. What runs through here? Pancreatic juice. Okay?
Sphincter.
It is a sphincter. Which one would it be?
The pylori?
Nope.
Other one.
Cardiac. Remember, cardiac is by the fundus, so it doesn't matter which way you're holding it. Fundus, cardiac. Pyloric sphincter, what does it dump into? Duodenum. Body. Fundus. Lesser curvature, what structure is associated with this? Lesser omentum, and it is embryologically derived from what? Ventral mesentery. Remember, it's
Is it?
yeah. Ventral, dorsal. Okay, ventral, dorsal. So it goes ventral, dorsal. Okay. What is associated with that? And what's the embryological derivation?
Dorsal.
What's the function of these? Increase surface area.
What is it called again?
Rugae,
Rugae.
like reggae, rugae. This is stupid crap. Oh, how funny is the gallbladder stones in it? I never noticed that before. See the little gallstones in it? Okay, what's that? What's that? Mm-hmm.
The whole part of that is the pancreatic duct?
Mhm. All the way. Remember, this one's all weird. It goes in your body like this, and we learned it like this, but it's going to be sitting like this, right? Just pick it up, turn it upside down. Okay, this right here, what they're getting at is that this is the what?
The hepatic
falciform ligament, or that, yeah. What's that?
Cystic duct.
Right hepatic, left hepatic,
Common
hepatic, common bile duct.
Small intestine, you don't know any more detail than that.
greater
Embryologically derived from the dorsal. Cardiac sphincter, fundus,
Body, lesser menture, greater menture. Regate, right hepatic, left
left
hepatic,
hepatic,
common
common
hepatic,
hepatic,
common bile,
common bile,
falciform.
falciform ligament.
small intestine, ligamentum, ascending colon. That's a right colic flexor, transverse colon, left colic flexor, descending colon, sigmoid colon. Sorry. Appendix. Sigmoid
Colon.
Cecum.
pancreas.
Pancreas.
Duct.
What part was the pancreas? Sorry.
Pardon me?
What part was the pancreas on that one?
Chewed up cat food, spit into a clear plastic bag, and then smushed flat.
Okay.
All your glands look like that. They're all chunky.
Thank you.
Ascending
Right colic flexor, transverse colon,
left colon flexor, descending colon, sigmoid colon,
rectum, appendix,
appendix, ilium,
Ilium.
pancreas,
pancreatic
pancreatic
duct,
duct,
water,
Okay.
inferior mesenteric artery. So, sorry, sigmoid artery,
Sigmoid. Down here.
rectal artery,
Oh, you're right. Sorry, you're right. This one's superior rectal.
superior rectal, down,
This is sigmoid. Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay, so superior rectal, sigmoid.
sigmoid.
Yeah, middle colic. Ileocolic. Okay, see how it's going to the ileum and to the ascending colon. Okay, so ileocolic.
pulmonary,
Pulmonary,
aortic, superior ventricular,
Right
so right subclavian artery,
Artery.
Right
right common carotid artery,
left
common carotid artery, left subclavian, brachiocephalic trunk, ligamentum arteriosum, auricles, pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins. What chamber is this?
Right atrium. Left ventricle.
Right ventricle.
Left atrium. Left ventricle.
Tendae, coordinator.
Chordae, tendineae, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, pulmonary valve, aortic valve. Okay, so what are these? Papillary muscles, and then underneath are the carnate. What is it? Trabeculae carnae. Yeah, trabeculae carnae. So if I'm in here, where did the blood just come from? Superior or inferior vena cava. What's the next valve it'll go through? What was the last valve it went through? The aortic valve. Okay, good. All right, what's the next chamber it's going to be in?
Left atrium.
Left atrium. What's the next valve it'll go through? Pulmonary valve. Okay. Where am I?
Left atrium.
What valve did it just come through? Pulmonary valve. What's the next valve it'll go through? What's the next chamber it'll be in? Left ventricle. Okay. What valve did it just come through? What valve will it go through? Aortic. Let me go back up in here. What blood vessel did it just come from? Pulmonary veins. Okay, good. You gotta know that kind of stuff, back and forth, okay? If I'm in here, where did the blood just come from?
Left ventricle.
The aorta.
From the aorta.
Yeah.
Okay. Pulmonary trunk, aorta,
That's your
Right.
right.
brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid artery, left subclavian artery,
Superior vena cava.
pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins, ligamentum arteriosum,
Pulmonary valve.
pulmonary valve, trabeculae carnae, papillary muscles, chordae tendineae, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, aortic valve, coronary arteries.
Falciform loop.
Fossa ovale. What was the embryological structure? Foramen ovale. And what kind of defect is it called when it doesn't close up?
Murmur.
That's the category, but what kind of heart murmur is it? 3 words. That'd be 4 words, but. Atrial, septal, defect. Okay, it's a septum, like right here, between your nose, between the holes, atrial septal defect. Inferior vena cava. What is? Let me see. No. What is the last tributary to this blood vessel before it dumps into the
Esophagus.
esophagus vein? Good. What is the very first branch off of this blood vessel before it even completely exits the heart?